All right, except this time we're going to go to option 5, one prop z-test. And when you open it, we're going to put in a couple things. P naught is from your null hypothesis, 0.56. X are the amount of Americans with a bachelor degree that believe protecting the right to own guns is important. N is your sample size. And we have all the different tests. Whatever test you're in, you highlight it with your cursor and push enter. This is a two-tail test. So I did not equal to. And then if you hit calculate, go down and hit calculate, we get this menu on the home screen. Z is the test statistic. P hat is your point estimate. So test statistic, point estimate, but we're interested in P, and that stands for p-value. So our p-value is 0.179. So the top two, you could use this top one to use the classical approach, or you can use the p-value and use the p-value approach. All right, so we'll write that down in just a second. If you guys hit draw, it would draw you a graph. And so this is our positive point estimate. This is our negative point estimate, and because it's a two-tailed test. So the shaded in part is your p-value. All right, so that's your point estimate. That's your negative point estimate. All right, let's write this information down. So again, we're really interested in these top two values of your one prop z-test. That's your test statistic, P is your p-value.